So today I was craving this delicious fried rice. Here are the ingredients I use in making it. So while you watch me throw this together, let me tell you a little story. Have you ever tried to follow a recipe like your life depends on it? You measure everything step by step without skipping anything, like you have a strict teacher or coach watching you. That was me 2 days ago. I was so determined the pasta I wanted to make was going to be perfect. Then halfway through, boom, I realized I was missing one ingredient. I just stood there like, hey, wahala. Hey, dinner don't cancel. Oh. I got so confused. But then I thought, why not just swap it with something else? I wasn't expecting anything magical. I just thought in my head that maybe it would taste okay and nothing to write home about. But guess what? As soon as the food was ready and I tasted it, guys, you won't believe it. The pasta was delicious. Somehow the flavors came together even better than the original recipe. It had its own personality, its own twist. I'm talking next level deliciousness. All because I didn't panic over one missing ingredient. And that's when I realized life is just like that pasta. We plan, we measure, we follow the instructions to the T. But sometimes the best things happen when the plan goes sideways. That missing ingredient, that little detour, that last minute change, it might just make life even sweeter than you imagined. So, my advice to you, don't be afraid to swap the ingredients in life. Mix it up a little, take that detour. Who knows? You might end up with something way better than what you were planning. So, friends, let's get back to this delicious fried rice. Look at how colorful it is. And I promise you, it tastes even better than it looks. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more recipes.